Muteti wa chama cha Wiper Kuma Kitui East Bruce Mutua Niwaumania Kiko Kimwe na Vala Veuwetekana Amwe Ateti alami Meumelelya mata Kivila cha Umbunge Kilionimbunge kicha Kitui East Mekuite Mbulili Umbanoni wa Atongoi Ulei Kisioni cha Chuluni Kukunia Avinzani Kelele.
Wakaenda kumtukana hata wao wote waende nyumbani. Hatuwezi kubali watalii hapa kwetu. Wale watalii kalongo hata wao waende.
My short call for the people of Ukambani today is I was quite disappointed on how our party leader Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, the 6th president, was treated by the Wiper aspirants. I saw today 2 of the aspirants, when they are trying to show who is who, they had hired so many goons, and I know there are people who already been injured in the same thing. A lot of border guys, goons who have been ferried just to show, shout, cause injury. Even a lot of things were stolen in the market. So I want to say, in this era that we are condemning goonism, even with the sitting MP, and we are saying we want to offer an alternative, this can never be an alternative. Because these 2 Wiper leaders and the aspirants today, what they showed the whole world, that they are not better. They are goons. They are bringing goons even at the village level, where we were having some guests who came with the party leader just to show unity. Former Deputy Vice President or the Deputy President, Shagwa, Eugene Wamalwa, and the rest. Then we could not afford to hold the goons. They were just shouting, trying to show who's who. I'm taking this opportunity and promise the people of Kitui East that this kind of leadership needs to be condemned. We don't need such alternatives of aspirants in the Wiper umbrella or hiding behind the party leader, and they cannot show anything better. If this is the trend, I want to ask the Wiper leadership to take charge, and some of these aspirants should not be given chance, because going forward a lot of goonism is going to happen, and we cannot, as people from Kitui, accept this kind of behavior or this kind of goonism.